If you're a freelancer, a consultant, a coach, a business owner, entrepreneur, an agency owner, and you want more leads, you want more clients and more sales, or perhaps you just want to generate more business for your clients, the problem isn't traffic. Traffic is easy these days. The messaging, your positioning, it's all about the landing page. And most service providers and consultants that I know send people to a generic homepage with no clear offer, no focused message, and no real reason to take action. So I show them how to do this as the traffic comes in and nothing happens. You need to learn how to position a landing page. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude and AI and Claude Code to generate a high converting landing page in minutes and publish it directly inside WordPress. WordPress is a very popular CMS, content management system. No page builders, no hiring designers, no complicated setup. That's a big one. And to make this practical, I'll walk you through a real example for a consultant trying to land and generate local SEO clients. Let's build it. So if you sell services, your landing page is the conversion engine. Whether you're a freelancer, as I said, trying to get booked, if you're a consultant pitching clients, or you're an agency running paid ads, paid marketing, or maybe an SEO provider trying to get more calls, you need a page that speaks to a specific problem and offers a clear solution, builds trust at the same time, and drives action. And most people, and over the years, I've seen just a level of overcomplication. It's too complex. Or worse, they don't build a dedicated page at all. It's too generic, too common. So today, we're going to remove that bottleneck, and we're going to use Claude Code and Claude AI to do it. So let's use a specific example. Imagine you're a consultant offering local SEO services. You want more book strategy calls, of course, more inbound leads, and more recurring clients. And your clients want more visibility, more calls, and more local customers. So instead of spending hours building a page, we're going to generate one with Claude Code, Claude AI, and then instantly publish it inside WordPress. And I realize WordPress has a lot of options here in terms of plugins and designers, but we're going to use Claude today. And I'll show you how fast this can be done and a very sweet design at that. So open Claude Code. And here's the key. Don't just write me a landing page. Don't type that, right? AI works best when you give it structure and constraints. You've watched a number of my videos, I hope, and you want to make sure you define the target audience as local businesses needing SEO. Define the service as local SEO services. You want to set the goal as generating book discovery calls. Specify the tone and the language that should be professional and results driven. Then instruct Claude, I'm talking about Claude Code here, to include a clear headline with an outcome. Use a subheadline, a problem section, and a solution section. You want to include benefits. You definitely want social proof here and a strong call to action. Plus, you want to add an FAQ, as you can see in the screenshot. Finally, tell it to output clean HTML only with no explanations. Run the prompt, and Claude Code will generate a complete structured landing page in HTML, all self-contained, all styled correctly. And you want to circle back a few times here. You want to review the preview. You want to reprompt and tighten up the messaging if that's out of whack, and play with the layout. You might want a longer or shorter page. You'll need a few rounds of this until it's perfect. Look at other examples as well and start comparing. So before copying anything over to WordPress, scroll through it. Look through a strong outcome-focused headline. Make sure that the problem is clearly explained and confirm the benefits. Make sure they are specific and to the point, and that the call to action is visible top of fold as well. Check the page flows logically. Does it make sense? This structure alone is better than most freelance websites, I can tell you that. But remember, AI gives you structure here. You need to add your credibility, your insights, your value to the page. So now that you have it all selected, select all the code, copy the HTML output. That's it. No exporting, no downloading, no pins here. Then head over to WordPress. I'll show you a couple of screenshots here. Click Pages, add a new page, name it like local SEO, insert a custom HTML block, not code, but HTML, and paste it. Paste it into that block. Select a blank or full width template for the page, save, and then publish. Preview it. You now have a complete focused local SEO landing page built in minutes. You can build more segmented pages as you go, of course. And if you want to tweak it, go back to Claude, update it, and just paste it again and save. Now, here's where most people stop. And this is why they don't get results. I'm talking about 15 plus years of experience here. You need to turn this into a real lead generator. So make sure that those testimonials actually have real results. As I said, add your value, add screenshots of rankings, embed real Google reviews, show a before and after, add your booking calendar link, localize the copy with city-specific keywords. That is crucial. Include trust signals like certifications, logos, and case studies if you have them. Very important. If you don't have them, don't use them. Don't lie. If you're building this for a client, this is how you generate more business for them. And at the same time, you position yourself as a strategic advisor, not just a technical implementer. So AI builds the framework. You refine it for real. You refine it for real world commerce. You refine it for real world conversions. Now, if you want more leads, more clients, or to generate more business for your clients or your clients, you don't need another tool. You need a focused landing page, segmented. Claude Code AI helps you build it. WordPress helps you publish it. If you want the exact prompt template that I used in this video to generate the page that you see in this video, just comment landing prompt and I'll be happy to send it to you. And if you want more AI workflows that actually help you generate revenue, leads, and sales, not just content, hey, hit a subscribe. I'd love to hear from you as well, because this is just the beginning, guys and gals. And yes, I would love to have a subscription from you. It helps the algorithm. If you like this video, hey, I'm all about the love, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.